Hi, my name is Rachel Hyder, and I'm in South Carolina, and I wanted to just take a moment and share with you one of our very favorite do-it-yourself recipes that I discovered very early on in our journey to replace some of the synthetic products that we were using in our home in favor for natural options that work better and in this case cost significantly less to make. So I wanted to show you this image for a hand sanitizer recipe that we love. What you'll notice is that this only has 3 ingredients plus a little water in it, which is so freeing for me. So you can toss that alcohol-based hand sanitizer in favor of something that just has some aloe gel, some vitamin E or fractionated coconut oil, as well as doTERRA's On Guard essential oil blend, which we know is fantastic for boosting the immune system as well as for cleaning. So this is a favorite recipe that we have. I am not particularly partial to any kind of aloe vera gel brand. I am, however, an Amazon Prime shopper, so I just found this on Amazon. You just need an aloe vera gel that you feel comfortable is clean, and so this is the guy that I bought. Next, you can find your vitamin E oil, or you can use fractionated coconut oil. The purpose for this element in the recipe is simply to help that On Guard dilute through the rest of the hand sanitizer bottle easily. So this is more of a diluent that will help it mix in easily. So all you need is a tablespoon. All right, here we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put 5 tablespoons of my aloe vera gel into a bowl. So there I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now 4 tablespoons of water. So I have my little glass here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so now I have my bowl of my mix, and I'm going to put a little bit of the vitamin E oil on top. When I make this for other people, I usually put 8 to 10 drops of the On Guard blend in here. However, you can make it as strong or as weak as you want. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9th one fell in there. And then I use a little funnel. This little empty 2-ounce squeeze bottle I also found on Amazon. You can get these in packs of 8. And so then I had plenty for my car and for my purse, and then also fun ones to give away. So let's see if I can pour this without spilling. Have my little funnel there, and you just pour that in there. Watch it fill up, drip a little bit. You're going to have more than you need for the 2-ounce, so you will have a little bit extra. You have a second bottle there to fill. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. All right, so you just put on your squeeze top. You can find aloe vera gel that is thicker than this one. This one's pretty liquidy, but with the squeeze top, it doesn't really seem to bother us very much. I like that I can shake it up, actually, but now I carry this everywhere I go. Of course, funny story. We get into the grocery store now, and I put this in my son in particular in his hand, and he'll rub his hands together and, oh mama, it smells so good. And I'm sitting here thinking everybody in the store is watching as my son enjoys the smell of alcohol. However, there is no alcohol in this hand sanitizer, so you can feel safe that it's just the aroma of the On Guard blend that he really enjoys. And you're boosting their immune system as well as cleaning those hands off if you're at a place where you can't use soap and water. So anyway, thank you for your time. I'll put that recipe up just one more time, and I hope you have a wonderful day.